Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn singular and plural. What?
Singular and plural.
And here we have three houses. What is the three houses next? House number 1?
Yes house.
House number 2?
Yes house.
And house number 3?
Yes house.
And here some set of rules is there for the houses, different houses. Here the yes house rule is the word ends with consonants and we are adding yes to the plural. That is called yes house rules. Got that? For example, pen. N is consonant or vowel? Consonant. So we are adding yes. And I have written few examples in the yes house. One by one come and complete that one. And next we will move on to the ES house. The same thing. The words ends with O, S, SS, SH, yes. What we are adding?
Yes.
ES we are adding. It will get the plural of the word. Okay. For example, box. Which is the last letter here?
X.
X is we are adding ES, right? So box becomes what? Boxes. And I have given few of the examples in the ES house. You should choose that example and you should come and write one by one. Ready? And last we have IES house. In the IES house, the word ends with Y. Here, the word is end with what? Cry.
Y.
Which is the last letter? Y. Which is the last letter?
Y.
Y is replaced. We will take off the Y letter and in the Y place we are adding IES. What we are adding?
IES.
Okay, it will become cry. Cries. Are you ready to write the examples from the houses?
Yes ma'am.
Start.
Yes ma'am.
Stop the video.
Books.
Very good. Class?
Classes.
Okay. Next.
Light.
Very good.
Papers.
Okay.
Buses. Buses. Trains.
Try.
Trains. Girls. Mango.
Which is the last letter in the mango? Very good. So we should add?
Yes.
Very good.
Reply. Replace.
Which is the last letter in the reply?
Y.
Y is replaced by?
IES.
Very good.
Door.
What is door plural form?
Door.
Right.
Doors. The last letter R is consonant.
Consonant. So we are adding.
So we are adding yes.
Very,
Bushes.
very good. Bush.
Bushes.
Bush.
Bushes.
Okay.